Welcome back to my channel everyone, it's Abby again and I'll be showing you how I achieved this half up half down style using Curls Queen clip-ins and minimal heat on my natural hair. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair and using the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner and the Simply Beautiful Naturals Shea Butter Cream to moisturize. I then split my hair into 4 quarters and then I am actually going to use the ORS oil to seal in all that moisture. I then take the perimeter of the bottom 2 quarters and I'll be using this as leave out. I'm just cornrowing it to keep it out of the way until I'm ready to use it. And then I actually blow dry the top 2 quarters on cool air, so no heat, and that will be the half up portion of the hairstyle. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side before taking the clip-ins that I'll be using today. So these clip-ins are from Curls Queen, which offer textured clip-ins for black natural hair. And they give you 1 set of clip-ins which is actually sufficient for a full head of hair. And I'm actually going to be using their Indian Virgin hair today, which is basically mimics the relaxed hair texture. So I got my set in 18 inches and the texture is Coarse Yaki. So they actually give you 10 different clip-ins. They give you 2 10-inch wefts, 2 9-inch wefts, 2 7-inch wefts and 2 3-inch wefts. So they basically give you 5 pairs of different clip-in sizes, making 10 clip-ins in total. But before putting them in, I'm going to sort out the top half of my hair by slicking it down using this gel combo. So if you're trying to slick down your natural hair without using heat and without using a ton of gel, then this is the combo for you. So I start off with the olive oil eco styler gel and I apply that on the perimeter of the section and in the middle as well. Once I've applied that, I then follow up with a second gel, which is the Gorilla Snot gel in the yellow bottle. And again, I apply that to the perimeter of the section and I go in and apply that in the middle as well. And as you can see, it's already doing the job without me even brushing it in. But I then follow up with a tangle teaser because that is going to lay your hair flat, distribute the gel through the hair without, any knots or any bumps, and it's just slick seamlessly. This is what we're trying to achieve, and we didn't even use any heat on our hair beforehand. I've literally just blow dried it using cool air. So anyway, I'm going to take 2 hair bands and make sure I tie up that section tight in the position that I want it to be in. I'm then going to braid the ends just to kind of keep it underneath the clip-ins that I'll be applying there later. This is what it's looking like right now, but I'm going to set my hair using a satin scarf and I'm going to leave it like this overnight so that it sets the gel in my hair for good, basically. So this is what it's looking like the next day. As you can see, my hair's not as moist as before and it's set a lot better now, but I'm going to tame any flyaways and my edges using the gummy wax gel. So this is what the back of my hair is looking like. As you can see, we cornrowed the perimeter earlier and I'm going to take out those cornrows because this is actually going to be my leave out, which I'm going to use to conceal the clip-ins at the back. For my leave out, I'm going to use a little bit of heat, so I'm going to apply a heat protectant first, and that one is from ORS, and I'm brushing using my tangle teaser before just using 1 pass with the straighteners. And I think I only used about 100 degrees of heat, and I made sure not to touch my ends too much because we only want it to mimic the texture of the clip-ins, so it can have a little bit of texture left in your hair. It doesn't have to be dead straight. So that just leaves the middle of my hair, which I've kind of cornrowed and clipped away, as a base for the clip-ins that I'm going to apply. So the clip-in sizes that you're going to use obviously depends on the size of your head. So you kind of measure it up against your hair and see what clip-in sizes to use. But at the bottom, I believe I used 4 wefts of clip-ins, and the top clip-in was the longest one. So yeah, you just have to kind of try it out for size and see what fits that area the most on your head. This is basically what my hair looks like right now. As you can see, it just looks really natural, and it's the exact thickness I was trying to achieve. So I'm moving on to the top half of my hair, which is going to be a ponytail. So you just basically want to work with the wefts of clip-ins that you have left and clip it into the braids that you've done at the top. So just keep going and clip in any remaining clip-ins you have until you obviously get to the base of the pony. So now I'm going to take a piece of the clip-ins and use it to conceal the weft at the base of the ponytail. So you want to take your time with this and make sure it's all smooth and sleek all the way around. And I basically just keep going until there's no hair left and tuck the ends right underneath the base. I'm then going to neaten the front of my hair using a bit of HAIRSTYLE gel to keep it sleek, keep it laid. And that is basically it. So you can keep it in this straight style and it looks amazing as it is. But I wanted to show you, you can also use heat on these clip-ins. As I said, it is Indian virgin hair and it actually can be dyed, bleached, straightened, curled. You can do bantu knots, flexi rods, pretty much everything. So to curl it, I'm just using this 32mm barrel curling wand. And this is just going to give me some nice bouncy waves in my hair. So this is the finished look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe if you did, and also check out all my other hair tutorials whilst you're here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.